Don't go anywhere. Do not scroll. You cannot miss this one. We are back again with a very, very special project. Not only is it special, this car behind me has travelled all the way from Scotland. We're in Norwich. Scotland is as far as you can physically get away from Norwich. So massive appreciation to the customer who's come down to see us for us to complete this project. So another giveaway of what we're now going to do. See that? That door opened like a normal car door. Give us 3 or 4 days, that door is not going to open like that.
Hang on, haven't we done this before?
Few times. Yeah, we've done a few.
Was this one of the first cars we done this on?
It was, yeah.
Oh.
It was.
Little flashback incoming.
Hi everyone, Sam from the Body Centre here. As you can see, got this Fiat 500 Abarth behind me. You are not going to be able to guess what we're now going to do to this car. So, if you haven't guessed already, we're fitting the LSD Door conversion to this Fiat 500 Abarth. So, it's complete. The Fiat 500 Abarth LSD Door conversion. So as you've probably figured out by now, we're now going to be pulling the Abarth into strip and fit. We're now going to be whipping these doors off, cutting out all the old hinges, fitting the LSD Lamborghini door conversion. Let's go.
Here's your wing.
Here's your wing. So what are you doing now then, Neil?
I ain't doing anything.
Oh. What are we doing now then, Greg?
Wiring.
Bit of wiring.
Craig.
What?
You just say Craig.
No, I said Greg.
Greg.
So guys, we are now in the strip and fit department with Steve.
I'm Steve.
This is our newest member of the team. I don't actually know his real name. We just call him Steve.
Yeah.
But I tell you one thing, though, he's flying. You're doing amazing, aren't you?
Yeah.
Absolutely loving it. So, Robert. I was Robert today.
Yeah.
Robert today. Right, so Robert is now extending every single wire in the door wiring harness. Obviously, the doors normally open like a normal car, so you don't need obviously too much extension on the wiring loom. But these doors are now going to go out and up. So we need some good length to get them doors up. So Steve, Robert and Greg, I don't know which one you are, is now, well I think, did you do this?
I did a few, Nelly did most of them.
There he is! There he is! How long you been here?
Just over a month now.
Just over a month, he's chopping up wires already. Love it. So what we've done, as you can see, if you zoom in, Jake, we've just got the connectors on here, extended the wiring loom, and what Greg, Steve, and Robert is now doing, we're now putting some insulation around these tapes to get it nice and tight. You're doing a great job here, look at that, that's proper even. So we're gonna bring that obviously all the way up, cover up these joins as well to the original harness inside the door here. Once that is done, we then got to, are we cutting the doors on this one? I don't think we are we? Just cutting the inner wing.
Yeah.
Cutting the inner wing to get the room for the new hinge to sit in. And then bolt it all back together. Man's back. This is Nelly. He's like a head teacher. Look at him.
He's so strict.
He's like a head teacher.
He's actually quite scary sometimes.
Nelly can be scary. Nelly, how do you find working with tripods around you everywhere?
Trip
hazard.
Trip hazard.
Health and safety.
Health and safety. Major issues.
Well, we've got to do these videos because we know that you love doing these projects so much.
Yeah, I know.
So
He definitely doesn't.
more LSD conversions for Nelly and Greg and Steve and Robert.
Yeah,
Once you book in, doesn't he?
He loves it. He loves it.
Yeah.
What we can say while we're here in Jake's film, at least we can actually plan getting this end photo shoot done, because at the start of this project, Nelly pulled in to start it. Mr. Perfect over here
Yeah, Jake forgot to.
didn't film anything,
Yeah.
so we had to stop production. Cost us thousands.
That's pretty.
No matter what I say, Sam is always right, and he should never be questioned.
It's standard though.
Yeah.
Sam. Every time I pull a car
Just
into
slow
a
it.
project, it's like, oh no,
camera's
Jake,
So the hinge is now on, as you've seen. Nelly has supported it with a new little bracket. Does that come with it?
Yeah.
It does come with it. So he's just fitted the bracket, and he's now onto chopping up the wing so it fits.
Yep.
Obviously, it's not just chopping. He can go now. Anyway.
So guys, the Abarth is now done. It looks insane. Like I said, we've done a few of these before, many Lamborghinis, many Audi R8s, and like I said, we've done a few of the Abarths now, and yeah, all went to plan. Really, really simple. Done it so many times, it's easy for us now. So if you've got a car and you're wondering, can I have Lamborghini doors on my car? It's normally gonna be a yes from here at the body center. Come in, Jake, let's show you around and show you how it actually works and how it looks up close and personal. Come watch this. So as we said, obviously, during the video, you have to do a bit of modification to the wing because this hinge is now so big, so obviously to be able to hold this door up and how the function of it works, you have to do a bit of modification to that inner wing. So we've changed that, made the hinge fit, and let's show you it in action. So you've got a big hydraulic ram, which with this is so new, it's actually quite tight, this one, which is nice. Comes all the way down to the base, and then obviously shuts normally like a normal car, catches on the latch, lines up perfectly. So visually, you cannot tell that it's been done with obviously the door closed. All the gaps are exactly the same, nothing's different. And that is the most important part of it as well. Anyone can sort of bolt a hinge on and make the door go up, but it's how it fits. It needs to look perfect, like it hasn't been done. If it's out of line, obviously it's gonna be catching, it's gonna be rubbing, it's gonna be going all over the place, not where it should be. So as usual from Nelly, perfect job, and all gone to plan. But yeah, if you wanna come behind me, Jake, and show how this hinge actually works inside. So again, as normal, opens off the latch, comes to a point off the stopper that we set, and it now starts to come up. That hydraulic ram is now pushing the whole door up in the air. So guys, thank you for staying to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the process, got a bit more of an understanding on how the LSD door conversion works. And just remember, anything you think of, we can probably make it happen. So any inquiries, hit us up in our DM, send us an email, send a request over, and we'll be more than happy to take on your ideas. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.